Welcome to the session on engineering graphics. In today's session, we are going to solve one problem on projection of hexagonal lamina. So problem statement given here is a hexagonal lamina of 25 mm sides resting on HP with one of its corners such that the diagonal is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. Draw the projections of the lamina. So to draw the projections of this lamina, first we have to start with the XY line. So I am starting with the XY line. So I will be drawing the XY line here. I will be naming this is X, this is Y, then above XY I will be having VP, below XY I will be having HP, then we will draw the hexagon. So hexagon is resting on HP with one of its corner. So we have to draw the hexagon resting on the corner. So approximately I will be drawing the hexagon like this. Okay, and then we will give one of the dimensions. So this is 25 mm. I will make other edges. This edge equals to this edge equals to this edge equals to this, equals to this, equals to this. So all the edges are equal now. The angle between the edges for hexagon is 120 degrees. So this is also 120 degrees. So this is the hexagon what we want. So that hexagon is ready now. We'll take it little bit here. So this is the hexagon. Now we'll give the names. So this is A and this is B and this is C, this is D, this is E and this is F. So once we complete the top view of this hexagon in this way, now we'll project it to get the front view of this. So projector from A, projector from B to F, and projector from F, projector from C to E, and projector from E, projector from B. So all the four projectors we have drawn. Now we'll connect this point to this point, to this point, and to this point. So we have drawn the front view as well. Okay, so now we'll apply the line convention. So this is 0.4 mm, and all the sides of the bottom as well which are visible, so that is also 0.4, like this. So this is the first stage is completed. We can also give the names here. This is A dash, this is B dash, in bracket F dash, then this is C dash, in bracket E dash, and this would be D dash. So first stage is completed. Now for the second stage, the diagonal is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. So here we will be considering the diagonal passing from the resting corner A. So the diagonal passing from the resting corner, if you show it here, so we will be having the AD as a diagonal passing from the resting corner A. So when we see this AD here, we will be having A dash D dash as a front view of this diagonal. Now so this diagonal is having 30 degrees inclination to HP. So this A dash D dash we have to reconstruct to the next stage, and we have to make it with an angle of 30 degrees. So I am taking the move command, I am making copy on. From here I'll take it here, right click, I'll go to rotate from this point till this. I don't want copy, I'll make the copy of rotation angle, I'll give it as 30, enter, and place it. So you have rotated to 30 degrees. So once you do this, you have to make the rigid set. Click on the rigid set and click on this check cover. So now it has become rigid set. Now I'll go to the connect tool. I'll connect this end on this line. So once you have connected this, you can move it wherever you want, like this, and you have got the front view of the second stage. Now again, if you take all these names here, so this is A dash, this will be having B dash, F dash here, we will be having C dash, E dash, here, and we'll be having D dash here. So now again you have to take the projectors from all these points. So from A dash till this A here, connect it back. From this B dash and F dash, the F is here, so first we'll intersect F, connect it, then from till B we'll be getting till here and we'll connect it. Then from C dash and E dash, so first we are getting E, will be connected, we'll connect it here. Then from here till C, and we'll connect it here. Then from D dash till here, this is the midpoint, and you can connect this back. So once you connect all the points, again you can give the names, or you can copy the names from here, hold the control button and click the letter A, B, leave control, select control, click C, D, then E, then F. So all the 6 points you have got. Now again you connect A to this end to B, C, D, E, F and back to E. So once you connect this, you can again make them bold as they are visible. So again you have to make it 0.4. So this would be the second stage. Now in the third stage, what they are saying, the diagonal is inclined at 45 degrees to VP. But if you check the length of the diagonal, here the diagonal is having 50 mm length, and here if you check the diagonal length, it is 43.3 mm length. So true length of the diagonal is here, apparent length of the diagonal is here, and this figure we have to draw it here. So you have got apparent length but true inclination. Is inclined represents the true inclination. So you cannot have the true inclination for apparent length. So that's why you have to take the true inclination first, and you have to draw the true length of the diagonal, and then you have to take the apparent length, you have to cut the arc, and you have to get the apparent inclination. So to do that, first we have to start with line command. So first line is of 45 degrees. Okay, so from this we will be getting a line having an angle of 45 degrees. So type 45. So this is the line you have drawn. On this line you have to draw this two lines. So from this point we will be drawing a line of length 50. Enter. Angle will be the 45. So from here you can have this locus line. So this line will be called as a chain type and will be called as a locus of A. So locus, capital letters, of point A. So now you are placing this T point here. Say if you name this point as D here, and you have got this AD to draw here. So this D and this A already are drawn. Now you have to get this A here. So to do that, you have to go to the arc by center point, and from this D point, so first I'll show you the length of this AD. This is this one, and this is 50. So 50 is here, 43 here. So 50 first we have drawn this as 50. So we have drawn this as 50 here on 45 degree, and now I'll take 43.3. So from this point I'll take the radius as 43.3, enter it, and I'll cut the arc here. See, I am cutting the arc here. So once I cut the arc, I'll be connecting this end to this end. See, so now the length of this line is 43.3, and now if you extend this line further, or if you take the angle between this line and this, you will be getting the apparent inclination, that is 55 or 54.74. So now apparent length have apparent inclination. This we have obtained from this given inclination and known length of the two diagonal. So once we do this, now we have to reconstruct this figure over here. So to reconstruct here, we can copy this image. So select all the edges of this. Okay, go to move command, move, we need a copy of this from this point, from D. Pick it from here, place it at this point, right click, go to rotate, rotate from this D point to this A point till it connects this point here. So once it connects to this point, place it there and you can get the reconstruction. You can also use the rigid set command and you can do the same thing. So once you do that, again you can give the names. So again I'll copy this A here. Okay, so this E will be here. According to this we have to rotate all the names. We are keeping this D here, so D is here, E is here, F is here, A is here, and you will be having B and C here. So B and C will be getting it here. So like this. So this is the reconstruction what we have done. Now we have to project it to get the front view. So to do that, again from this A till this A dash, we will be getting one projector. From B till this B dash, like this, we will be getting the second projector. From C till this C dash, we will be getting the third projector. From this D till this, we will be getting the fourth. From this E end point till here, if you are not getting correctly, you can tap there and you can enter the angle 90 and you can end it here. Then from F till this here. So again you can connect from A. See, this is A end here, A to B here. Okay, so this is B, then C here, then you have got D point here, then you have got E point here, you have got F, and you can connect it back to A like this. This completes the front view of hexagonal lamina which is inclined to HP, or whose diagonal is inclined to HP by 30 degrees and 45 to VP. So again you can show the angle here which you have not shown, like this. So 30 degrees here, 45 degrees here, 25 dimension. These are redundant which we had used for the construction purpose. You can delete them, and this would be your final solution. You can give the names here as A dash. This is A dash, this point would be B dash, and this would be C dash, this would be D dash, and this would be E dash, and this would be F dash. So this is the final solution for the given problem statement. So like this you have to get the solution. So here you have to make this XY line as 0.15 mm, little bit thick. Remaining all the projection lines should be 0.05 by default, and all these thick lines should be 0.4 mm. Thank you.